How to restore YouTube old layout. So for it, first of all you have to long press on your YouTube application, and then you have to click on this app info option over here. Then you will have an interface like this, and over here you will find an option called storage and cache. So now you have to click on it, and then you have to click on clear cache. After that you have to go back, and now you have to click on this three dot in the top right corner of your screen, and then you have to click on this uninstall update. After that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your browser. I will use Chrome browser over here. You can use whichever you want. And then you have to click on the search bar, and now you have to search for YouTube older version download. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you have to click on this first website over here, and now you can download older version of YouTube from this website. So that's how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.